The electric eel. A shocking danger lurks beneath the waters of the Amazon River in Brazil, and the danger it poses is not something to scoff at. The electric eel, despite its name, is not a true eel but actually a knife fish capable of delivering a massive electric shock to those who threaten it. 3 pairs of abdominal organs of the fish allow it to generate electricity enough to stun an adult human being. The eels use their electricity generating capacity to stun prey before consuming them. Fatal attacks on humans are rare but not completely non-existent. A single jolt could stun a human being enough to cause the person to stop breathing and drown even in shallow water. Multiple shocks could definitely trigger respiratory failure in humans. In the past, there are cases where the fish have delivered shocks strong enough to kill horses and even stun an adult caiman. So when in the Amazon and you find yourself needing to walk along the river shallows, better make sure you're wearing rubber boots. Number 5. The Black Caiman. The black caiman is one of the biggest members of the alligator family. The massive predator lives in the lakes, slow-flowing rivers, and seasonally flooded savannas of the Amazon basin. It is regarded as the biggest predator of the Amazon ecosystem and feeds on a variety of birds, reptiles, fish, and mammals. The powerful creature is capable of taking in any animal that unknowingly ventures into its territory, and that also includes humans. Between January 2008 and October 2013, black caimans attacked 43 people, but fortunately less than 1/5 of these attacks were fatal. Encounters with these vicious predators are becoming more and more frequent as humans are constantly and aggressively encroaching into their territories, so the number of attacks are expected only to rise, or otherwise the population of these animals start to dwindle. Number 4. The bullet ant. The bullet ant, named for its potent sting, is one of the creatures of the Amazon rainforest that is best avoided. These tiny insects are capable of bites that can trigger excruciating pain in the bitten area. The Schmidt Sting Pain Index rates the bullet ant sting as the most painful, with a 4+ rating above that of the tarantula hawk wasp. Some victims have claimed the pain is equal to that of being shot by a bullet, hence the name. Once bitten, the victim develops an all-consuming pain that can torment victims for as long as 24 hours. But despite the pain that their bite brings, certain tribes living in the Amazon actively seek them out and gather them up. These ants are woven into large mittens made out of leaves and is then worn on the hands of young tribesmen for hours on end, all the while dancing to forget the pain the stings deliver. They do this as a sort of rite of passage, and all young boys are expected to undergo this right before they can be considered by the tribe as true men and warriors. Number 3. Piranhas. A piranha is one of the most dangerous aquatic inhabitants of the Amazon River basin. These freshwater fish are infamous for their powerful jaws and razor-sharp teeth. They have one of the strongest bites among bony fishes, and the black piranha's bite is one of the most forceful bites among vertebrates. Their bite can easily tear through all flesh, including that of humans. One question that's always been asked about piranhas is, are they man-eaters? The sort of answer is yes, but it's not because they actively pursue human flesh. It's more like they're not picky eaters. Piranhas have been known to have devoured human flesh on a number of occasions. In 2015, a girl's body partly eaten by piranhas was found in the Macuri River in Brazil. The girl was riding a boat with her grandmother and 4 other children when the boat capsized during a storm. It's still not clear whether the piranhas killed her or the piranhas fed on her after she drowned. Similar cases have been reported elsewhere. Despite the fish being so potentially dangerous, humans have brought the fish to their tables and also created tools and weapons using piranha teeth and bones. Now it's time for the day's best pick. And today we're going to be looking at possibly the most famous predator of the Amazon jungle, whose legend has resulted in quite a few feature films and documentaries dedicated to it. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the green anaconda. Number 2. Green anaconda. Several unverified reports of humans being eaten by these giant snakes existing. Scientists conclude that it is not impossible for an anaconda to consume a human, as these snakes eat prey that is tougher and stronger than humans.
Save the best for last, but first, I have a quick challenge that takes only 5 seconds to complete. If you can leave a like and subscribe within the next 5 seconds, you'll get 10 years of amazing luck. Just try it, it really works.
Number 1. The poison dart frog. Poison dart frogs are perhaps the deadliest animals living on Earth. These brightly colored tiny frogs living in the Amazon might appear to be beautiful to us, but the skin of some of these species harbor poison deadly enough to kill 10 adult human beings. The poison dart frogs receive their name from the darts or arrows coated with the toxin produced by these frogs and are used by the indigenous hunters to hunt animals and also enemies. The golden poison frog is one of the most poisonous species of the poison dart frog. The poison produced by these frogs is called batraxatoxin. The toxin is so potent that even in minuscule amounts, it can cause paralysis and death when it enters the bloodstream. Which Amazon animal are you most scared of? Let us know in the comment section down below. Want to watch more videos about amazing wildlife? Click on the videos that you see on your screen. As always, thanks for watching everybody, and I will see you all next time. Laters!